guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you 3 simple and easy dollar store DIYs. Most of these supplies have come either from a Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I'll let you know where I got them as I'm going through them. So the first one, I had these keys on hand. Then I picked up this heart at Dollarama. I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree has them as well. My Dollar Tree didn't, but so I picked it up at Dollarama. Then I have this ribbon that I picked up for a different project from Dollarama. I will also be using this rope that came from Dollar Tree. And then for painting this heart, I will be using the stain. It is called Ultimate Wood Stain 1 Coat Coverage. It's from Home Depot by Valentine. I'm just I have it on hand, so I want to use it up. You can paint your heart. You don't have to do what I'm doing. You can paint it with brown paint if you want. And then I'm using some white chalk paint. This is Old White from Annie Sloan, just to do a water down effect on this. So the first thing that we're gonna do is stain this, and I will be using my sponge brushes to do that. And I will be applying a very light coat. I do this to myself every time. I'm just gonna use a lint-free cloth to apply the stain. Much easier. And you want to put light pressure if you're using the stain. And what I like about using the stain, it is dry already. Just because I went with such a light coat. Now I'm going to mix some paint and water. And I want it very watered down, like quarter cup to like maybe just a water to a little drop of paint, just so you see. That's it. Now I'm gonna mix it up, and once you mix it up, if you think you don't have enough, you can always add a little bit more, but I think I do have enough. I'm just going to take the other end of this stain. Just going with the dry cloth just to wipe it down. And then from the lid, I'm just going to pick up a little bit of paint and just go around the edges. Like that. And then I'm going to wet it again with the same paint and just kind of give it a wash. I just really wanted the edges to be a little bit darker, so that's why. Okay, I think I have achieved that look that I was going for. And I'm going to assemble my key and my little ribbon. Just want to use this just for a measure so I don't make it too big. So I'm gonna put it right there. I'm going to heat up my glue gun. So I'm going to hot glue the key right there. I would recommend maybe choosing a bit of a different ribbon. This one was a little bit harder to work with. There we go. I think this turned out really cute and rustic, which is farmhouse type of decor, which is what I was looking for. For the next one, I will be making a pillow, and I am using, which is I'm sure you guys are all familiar with, are the super soft microfiber cloths from Dollar Tree. These are the pure white ones. They're not the off-white, they're the pure white ones. And then I just had some stuff left over from a different project that I will be using. So I'm using this material, and then I'm also using this felt piece. So I'm going to, first thing I'm going to do is cut out my heart from this material. So from the scrap materials. Trace them and cut them out. So that's done, and now I'm going to glue this pillowcase together. And you want to glue, I think I have a full tutorial on how to hot glue for those of us that don't know how to sew. And okay, so you want the outside to be on the out, so the insides to be on the outsides, because you're gonna be turning it inside out, right? So you want to match it all up, and because it is from the dollar store, it might not be, they might not be exactly the same in size, but you have to make it work. The best that you can. And then you want to hot glue it around, and then maybe just to about here, so that way you can fit a pillow in. Or if you're going to be inserting the stuffing, which is what I'm going to be doing, then you just want to hot glue it after, close it up after you're done doing that. And I'm using my less hot glue gun because I tend to burn myself a lot, so I like to use the hot glue gun that's not so hot. For the stuffing, once I'm ready, I have an old pillow that nobody uses anymore, and I'm just going to open it up, take out the stuffing, and stuff this pillow with it. I'm gonna turn it once it had a chance to cool off the glue. You want to turn it inside out or right side in, or push on the corners. There we go. And now I'm going to add the decor on it. And you want to kind of go towards the middle, because once you stuff it, it's gonna you want it to look okay. So adjust it before you're hot gluing it. Okay, I think I'm happy with the positions, and I'm going to hot glue it. While that's drying, I'm gonna get my pillow ready. And now to hot glue it, you just fold the inside and add the hot glue. And then fold again the top too, and just press it down. And then if there's any area that you might have missed, just add a bit more glue. And there we go. For this last project, you are going to need a heart. I picked this one up at Dollarama for $2. I'm still using that ribbon that I had left over, and then I paid this frame magnetic board that I also picked up for $3.50 at Dollarama. Some acrylic paint. I'm using the purple one and a white one just because I want to make it a little bit lighter, and a foam brush. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to paint my heart, and I want it to be kind of a lighter color. So I'm just mixing these two. Make it more lavenderish. I'm gonna add a little bit more white. And I'm just going to put one coat. I just want it to be fairly light. And I'm going to paint the sides too. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to get my board ready. I really just bought this for the frame. And I like it because I can just remove this completely off, just like the frame. Just got glued, so we'll remove that as well. And you can use that for a different project as well. Just pop these off or cut them off. So I had measured this because I'm going to hot glue it to that, but in the frame. Hot. And then I'm going to hot glue the heart to it as well. And it's all done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, press the notification button. I do DIY type of videos a couple times a week, so make sure that notification bell is on so you don't miss out any of my new posts. And for those of you returning, thank you so much for your continued support. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.